Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about unboxing and review of April month Glamego box. I received this box a week ago, but I was not uploading any review because I wanted to use all the products so that I can tell you guys how are they. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any important video. So this is the April month Glamego box, which has a color of yellow and pink. It has an ice cream printed on it because it is a summer edition. And when you open it, you will get a card which has all the product details, all the price and what the products are. And you will get 4 full-size products and 1 sample summer edition product that will be different for everyone. So the first product is this Tjori wild turmeric anti-tan treatment. Now from the longest time I wanted to try Tjori products, but for some or the other reason I was not buying them, but I'm really happy that I received this one. Now wild turmeric is different from the normal turmeric that you use in your kitchen. Wild turmeric is really used in cosmetics because it is a non-staining formula, plus it has properties of reducing oiliness of your skin. It helps to fight acne and helps to brighten your skin. To apply this, you need to mix it with normal water or rose water, but before removing it, just spray some water so that it can moist up, and then just rub it very gently and take out all the mask. Now the second product is this sea clay mask by Natural Bath and Body. Sea clay is an organic material which has different minerals in it which are really good for your skin. All skin type people can use it, but it is really good for people with dry skin as it has good amount of glycerine in it. So the next product is Nelf USA Fairness Compact Powder. It has an SPF of 18. It helps to protect your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. It has an applicator and a mirror so that you can apply it whenever you want. The pigmentation is really good. It really brightens up your skin instantly. If you want a natural and an instant touch up, then you can definitely go with this compact. So the next product is this Island Kiss Berry Lip Moisturizer. It is free from petroleum. It is non-toxic, not tested on animals. It contains vitamin E, carrot oil and berry, and it gives a little bit stain to your lips. So the next product is this Vedic line Gold Facial. This is a 6-step gold facial with all the procedures mentioned on the back. You will get 6 sachet which you can use for at least 3 times. Now the ingredients of this facial are saffron, almond, marigold flower, turmeric and sandalwood. Now all these ingredients absorb sun rays, golden sun rays, and give the benefits of gold. But apart from this, it also contains gold dust and antioxidants and vitamin which helps to rejuvenate your skin, make it soft and give your skin a nice glow. This facial kit contains a scrub, a cleanser, a massage cream, a massage gel and a face pack with a moisture serum. Now Glamego has come up with this amazing offer for you all. You can earn ₹50 for your every referral. You just need to follow these steps and you can earn ₹50 every time one of your friend buys a Glamego product. So this was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.